We know that mixing pink and yellow could shift the tone towards reds or oranges. However, as we can see, in this background, these two colors are still distinct, with minimal blending between them. You might also come across similar situations, such as clouds with yellowish hues against a blue sky, without it taking on a greenish tint, etc. We may not be 100% able to avoid the third color occurring, but we can make an effort to minimize it for a visually appealing result. I'll go over some painting methods and show you which one will achieve the ideal outcome. I'm painting white on dry for the first one. When we add two colors on dry paper and want to create a natural gradient, we need to brush from one color to the other color. In this way, the middle area is inevitably going to mix into a third color. Due to the transparency of watercolor, layering colors will cause them to mix completely, so we should avoid this technique too. I'm adding the yellow to one side and the pink to the other, trying to minimize contact between the colors as much as possible. Do not brush back and forth in between the colors. In this way, the two colors will look distinctive. Don't use too much water for the wash, otherwise the colors will flow and mix together and you will end up with a blotchy, faded result. An easier method which I used for painting this background is to use hot pressed paper. This will create a vivid outcome even when you don't feel very confident. Hot pressed paper is less absorbent, so it gives you more time to play with these two colors as well as to correct your work when it doesn't go away. For example, if there's any unwanted third color generated, you can lift it using a clean dry brush and then touch up the first two colors when necessary.